na ba? Naka-move on na ba ang lahat sa ilong ko? Hindi pa din. Tama na. Move on na guys. Utang na loob.
Magandang araw, everybody! Wow, my wife is vlogging again.
Yo, after more than a month of not vlogging guys, kinagpagaling po ako sa ilong ko. Naka-vlog na ulit tayo, pero tingnan nyo, maga pa rin yan siya. Makikita po ang result, how many years that they can see the result after they can see the result to my nose.
1 year. But now I know why you are so beautiful today.
Pagbaba ko ba, sabi niya, you're so beautiful today. Ay, siyempre, kayo mag-vlog. Dapat mag-ayos tayo. No? Kaya matagal-tagal talaga, guys. Grabe, ang na-vlog ko sa Pilipinas. Nakapagpahinga po talaga ako. What's our plan?
We will get our son from school.
Magsundo po tayo. Kadaming nangyari sa buhay ko, guys. Tingnan nyo, nakasalamin na si Inday. Pero hindi na muna natin yan pag-usapan today, no? Kay chill-chill lang muna ito. So, very, very, very updated. Wala na pong mas updated pa sa vlog na ito dahil very, you say it. See, I don't know how to vlog anymore.
Very.
This is the most
Very
updated
what?
vlog that I have ever made because this one will be uploaded tomorrow.
Oh, wow! Tomorrow!
Yes! Dami po tayong pag-uusapan. Grabe, na-miss ko din ito guys. Parang naiyak ako. Hindi nyo lang alam yung mga pinagdaanan ko guys. Grabe! Super dami. Paulit-ulit na ako kay Nathan, sa sarili ko. Ang daming mga nangyari. Pero gusto ko nga today, chill-chill lang itong vlog na ito, no? Ito talaga ang bagong best friend ko ngayon. Ayan, oh. Simula, nagpailong ako. Sige, ako tingin sa salamin, guys. So, yun na nga. Dito na naman ang tambayan ko. Kaya magtingin-tingin sa anak ko. Dumating yung in-order kong multivitamins para kay Nathan. Nag-order ulit ako kasi naubusan na po siya. Ayan, bumili po ako ng 4. Ito ang ginagamit na vitamins ni Nathan, guys. Tapos, pag winter, dinadagdagan ko siya ng vitamin D. Ready ako ng damit ni Nathan. Palitan ko siya kasi mamaya may surprise po tayo sa kanya. Manood tayo ng sine, guys. Hindi niya pa yan alam. Maganda na ang weather dito. Nag-start na po ang spring. Hey Garnet, anong ginawa mo sa mahigit magdalawang buwan man siguro, guys? na hindi ako nag-vlog kasi gusto niyo malaman yung totoo? Kailan kami nakauwi dito? February 24 pa. Tapos afternoon, hindi normal. Narinig nyo naman po yung mga nangyari no, na binumbahan ang airport. After 4 days nung nakauwi kami dito, naggera. Hindi ko ma-imagine kung anong nangyari sa amin ni Nathan. Maisip ko ba may dala akong bata tas may nangyayari na ganun sa mundo ba? Tapos baka hindi kami makabalik dito. Oh, galit na naman kayo. Ang importante, updated ang vlog ngayon. Updated na. Tama na yung mga galit-galit yung sa akin dyan. Kitaan ko kayo, oh. April 8. So, today is April 8 at bukas nyo siya mapapanood. So, today is April 9. Today's vlog, hindi po ako magluluto. Sa labas na kami kakain mamaya pagkatapos ng sine. Kasi alas 4:30 po yung sine. Tapos mga alas 6:30 na may matapos no. Magsundo na tayo, everyone. Doon ang mga nanay, oh. Look who's here, everyone! Ginupitan ko yan kahapon, guys. How was school? Good? Bakit kadami mong chocolate on your mouth? Look, on your face. Wala tong chocolate.
You are doing like that.
What?
Chocolate paste.
Oh, because I gave you the chocolate paste for your bread.
Chocolate taste.
So, how are you daw? The guys are asking, how are you?
Feeling good.
Feeling good. What do you want for snack?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Kadami ko nang sinabi. Hindi pala siya nag-record. Tingnan nyo ang mata ni Nathan, guys. Nakapatch na po siya. Kasi, kailangan niya pong mas gamitin ang kanyang left eye. Para mas mag-develop po. Ano lang yan siya, 2 hours a day. Sinabi ko na din sa kanya yung surprise ko. Nakita sana sa vlog. Grabe niya kasaya. Hindi para nag-record. So, what was the surprise of Mama? We are going to the... to the city.
And then the big TV.
And the big TV. And what are we watching?
Mario.
The Mario. 3 weeks na ata yan na naka-iPad si Nathan, guys. Nung dumating kasi kami dito, chinek ulit ang kanyang mata. Tapos kailangan niya daw mag-iPad yung kanyang left eye. Tapos mga 2 hours a day lang po siya. And then mga 3 months ata na kailangan niya yan gawin. Tapos babalik na naman kami doon para i-check na naman ang mata niya. No? Kasi kailangan niya talagang gamitin yung kanyang left eye.
Leven in Nederland. Heb je daar ook bossen zoals hier? Zitten daar leeuwen? Moeten er wel leeuwen zitten? De vlagen blijven maar komen. Ik zou zo graag zien waar hij woont. Maar anders vindt hij het wel vervelend. Hij voelt zich een beetje boos en hij vertrekt zonder om maar een woord te zeggen.
Naglaro na muna sila ng... Uy, very good! Ng tatay niya ng board game. Kaya mamaya pa po ang alis natin. Mga 1 oras pa, guys. Agoy! You only drink a little, bebe! Oo. Partida, isang mata lang yan siya. Si Nathan, guys, may bago po yan siyang salamin pero hinihintay pa namin na magtawag sila na ready na. Kasi yung salamin niya ngayon, pag kunting laro niya lang, kunting ganyan niya lang sa kama, guys, o magdugsing-dugsing. Pares yung nangyari sa Pilipinas, ba? Diba, binihan po namin siya ng ng salamin doon, yung rubber. Nasira. Meron diyan storya, bakit nasira? Next vlog na natin yan i-pick. Mahal talaga masyado ang salamin dito. Kayong salamin niya sa Pilipinas, nabili namin yun, guys, 5,000 pesos. Yung bago po niyang salamin ngayon, mag-abot na naman ng mag 20,000. Pero parang ang mangyari ngayon, para hindi po kami in-insured kasi namin yung salamin niya. O para hindi kami makabayad ng malaki, ang ginawa namin, ipaswap na lang. Kasi medyo okay pa man yung salamin niya ngayon. Swap na lang nila doon sa bagong in-order po namin na salamin para sa kanya. Yung iPads niya naman, dito ko lang po pinapagamit yan sa bahay. Kaya ayaw ko na gamitin niya sa school, guys. Diba? Maglaro-laro siya doon. Kasi isang mata lang ang gamitin niya. Delikado. Kaya dito lang pagkatapos ng school, tsaka ko po pinapagamit kay Nathan. Tama. Pag ulis natin mamaya, tanggalin na din natin yung sa mata niya. Gara. Tingnan yung buhok niyan. Ako ang nagupit kahapon. Pero binigyan ko siya ng pera, guys. Kinatruma na baya yan siya. Na ginugupitan ko ang buhok niya. Bebe love, may tanong ako sa'yo. How much mama gave you for your hair yesterday? How much mama gave you so I can cut your hair?
5 euros.
Binigyan ko siya ng 5 euro para magpayag, guys. Na magpagupit. Don't do that, baby. Can you sing your new song, the I Have a Pen?
I have a pen. I have a pineapple. Whoo! Pineapple pen. I have a apple. I have a pineapple. Whoo! Apple pineapple.
Oh, yan ang bagong kanta ni Nathan, guys. Hindi na siya magpagupit kasi 'di ba na ko siya dati, nasugatan ko yung niya, batenga niya. Pagkasabi ko sa biyahin ko siya ng 5 euros, pagupit siya, oy ha? Yeah. Do you miss Alexi? Do you want her to come here?
Yeah.
But she doesn't have money, man, for the airplane.
Why?
Because she doesn't have money. She needs to work.
At the taxi?
Ate Plexi? I don't know if she has money. But do you miss Alexi? What do you miss about Alexi then? What do you miss? Playing with her.
And eating.
And eating with her.
Rice bowl.
The rice bowl?
Fish for the rice bowl for Alexi.
Oh, that's what we don't have here. The small fish you miss? The crispy fish?
Yeah.
When we go back to the Philippines, that is what you will eat. The crispy head of the fish. And then, the rice bowl. Spring na talaga dito. Bukas 18 degrees, pero bukas hindi masyadong maaraw. Ngayon medyo malamig pa eh. Parang nasa mga 13 ata ngayon.
happened here?
Why?
Something on the road?
I think they're just fixing the road. 17 degrees pala ngayon. Ayan.
There was a brown
Pero may
stuff
araw.
on the road.
Na-miss nyo ba ang Europe vibes? Nakabalik na naman kayo sa Europe ha? Kayo talaga ha? Pagkatapos ng Japan, Europe na naman kayo.
I will say Japan.
I told them that we went to Japan but now we are back to Europe.
What are you will?
This one is Europe. Netherlands is Europe. Yes. Now, it's done. It's 2 hours already. How do you feel, bebe? Can you see mama? Is mama so beautiful?
Dago!
Excited for Mario, ha? Oh, you, ha? So excited.
Let's go!
And what will you eat there then?
Popcorn and I will drink soup.
Okay. Tingnan nyo guys, sa kaganda ng weather. Look at that. Andyan lahat sila nagtambay. Naiwan na ako ng mag-ama ko. Bumalik ako sa sakyan, naiwan ang cellphone ko. Na-miss nyo ba ang city ng Leeuwarden guys? Yan yung mga bar dito, mga disco. Ang kanyang popcorn.
Deze, alsjeblieft.
It's already with juice.
Zit al drinken in?
Go pee with Papa. Sige na, this will take 2 hours, bebe love. Go pee with Papa. Ano yung pinili niya? Sweet popcorn. Maglaro daw siya dyan mamaya o pagkatapos natin. Be careful, Diyos ko Lord.
Oh, niet lopen.
Enjoy.
I actually think I like this more than all the way in the back. This is a nice warm.
Yeah. Do you like the movie?
Oh, what was that? Fun.
Which one is nicer? This one or the last one? Mario guys. I think,
Movie?
yeah.
Probably the first one.
Yeah, the first one. I like that too. Bebe, we're going home soon, huh? It's another surprise for you. Know what?
No.
No? You don't know? What do you think of a burger?
Burger?
No.
No.
Palaruan nila dito. Oh. Nagustuhan mo ang movie, Bebe Love? You like the movie? Wala, busy masyado siya, hindi makausap ng maayos.
No, I think we had pretty much the best seats.
Yung-
Better than all the way in the back. So way better than all the way.
Yeah, nasa gitna kasi kami.
That's mama.
Kaya ang na-order ko
Did you
pala,
tell them?
guys. Ha?
You tell her?
Kijk,
Then we went to the
this
seats
is
and then we said to the lady,
mama.
"You're in our seats."
Yeah.
But no, you booked the seats
Kijk,
all the way in the
this is
front.
And then
No.
how are
up
we
in the
watching?
back.
How are we watching? Tapos lumipat kami, buti na lang wala masyadong tao today. Look what is playing, mahal. Getting a sushi.
I will.
Okay, let's go. So, how was the movie? Good?
Where are we going?
What do you want? Burger or rice?
Why?
Oh, no, why?
Why? That is a surprise.
Macdo is the surprise.
That
Yung itsura ng sinihan nila dito, oh. Malaki, no? Sinihan lang talaga to siya, guys.
is the surprise, Marco.
Yeah!
Marco.
Yeah, you thought just a burger?
Yeah.
Just an ordinary burger? No! It's a special burger. So what do you want? Burger or rice?
No, it's an expensive burger.
It's a very good movie.
What do you like the most in the movie? Huh? What is your favorite part of the movie?
I don't
When?
know.
Agoy, I don't know. How about you, Papa? What's your favorite part of the movie?
Bowser Jr.
Huh, Bowser? How about you? What's your favorite part
I
of...
don't know.
Diyos ko, Lord! Ano man yan? Uy! You do...
Because I don't know the part of my television.
Alas 6 na guys, pero grabe pa rin ang araw. Mag-alas 7 na po. Nandun pa rin yung mga nakatambay sila dyan. Pag may araw nga naman talaga, andyan yan sila palagi.
So, what happened to the sinigang?
Sinigang. Magsinigang sana ako today. I asked my husband, what do you want to eat? And then he said, sinigang. So we have a lot of vegetables. Wala eh. Hulog sa McDo guys. Yan sila oh. Inam-inom sila ng
what
wine.
happened to the sinigang?
I don't know. You still want sinigang? We can still eat sinigang.
But we're also going McDo. You already promised him.
Yeah. He can eat McDo, you can eat sinigang, but you need to wait 2 hours. Kay palataan pa guys. May ubo siya. Painumin natin yan ng gamot na naman mamaya. Been a while after Pinas Vlog. Nandito na naman po tayo. Dito po kami na McDo sa city kasi yung sa parking nga, merong mga pa-free na burger. Si Daniel marami, masyado siyang ganyan guys. How many cards do you have, mahal? With the McDo from the parking? Many?
In the car.
No expiration date? Pag sure, uy, maybe it will expire.
If they really want to check, they can check on what date you bought the
Ah, okay.
But from what I've noticed, the people who work at the McDo are also saving these so they can do a lot of them at the same time.
Yeah.
The
McDonald's.
problem
Sarado.
is you can only use
McDonald's.
this McDonald's.
Oh, only
not the other
this.
one.
Yeah, only in the city.
So
Ito,
we
bago
never
to.
use
Oh. This one ba? I told you. They have all the chicken in the world, guys. Puro chicken. Look at that. All the chicken in the world. Sarado na ang mga stores. Alas 6 yan sila nagsarado. Sa bahay na ako kakain. Meron tayong tofu doon. Cheeseburger. Look here. Look here. You need to be your man.
Okay. I will
You want me to open it or you open?
I will open
Okay.
it.
Meron po siyang pa-dessert o apple. Tingnan nyo, free lang ito guys. 2 Big Mac. That's the free, mahal? 2 Big Macs?
One is free.
Ay, 1 is free.
If you order one, you get one free.
Ay, like that.
And I
Wow.
probably only want to eat one because I ate a lot of popcorn, but then I can eat this as a snack later.
Ah, look at that guys. We have a lot of that. Why are we not using that?
Because we need to eat here.
Ah, for later. Your new toy.
Mario toy.
Oh, Mario toy? Basta mag-enjoy lang aking mag-ama. Mas masarap yung akin doon, guys. Lagay ko sa air fryer yung aking tofu. How about your burger? I thought it's your snack for tonight.
Why are you filming again? Me eating the first burger.
Naubos niya na yung isa. I thought it's your snack, mahal. You change your mind?
No, it's my snack for now.
Double good yan, oh. Big Mac. Bebe Love, will you still let me cut your hair and then I will give you 5 euros again?
Then
So how many money do you have now in your pot? How much money do you have?
14.
14 because mama gave you 5. So next time, will you let me cut your hair again?
And then
And then I'll give you again 5 euros.
14 plus 5.
I don't know. You know?
No.
You know. 14 plus 5.
No, you know.
14 plus 5 is
I don't know.
19. Oh, so you will have 19 euros. You want me to cut your hair again?
Mama, tomorrow.
Matagal pa yan bago nag-decide guys na kunin niya yung 5 euros. Nagupitan ko siya kaya ayaw niya nga talaga. Kaya nasugatan ko nga siya ng razor. Kaya takot na takot siya ngayon magpagupit sa akin. Tingnan niyo lahat ng McDo.
McDo.
All the McDos in the world. So we can also eat, like we can order the quarter pounder, mahal, and then we get another one.
No, only Big Mac.
I only Big Mac with egg man that one. Tingnan nyo guys. Tofu. Ginawa ko pong salad. Dami ko na kasi nakain kanina. Tsaka nagsubo din ako ba ng fries nila dun sa McDo. So, pigilan nyo na siguro ako eh. Yun ang vlog today. Chill. Bukas lang tayo magmaritisan. Kaya pananibago ako mag-vlog guys. Sa totoo lang. So katagal-tagal ko hindi nag-vlog. So guys, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo today. Thank you so much for watching. We love you. See you again tomorrow. Kung hindi absent. Bye!